Chief Minister Conrad Sangma ulaya thu badan kiba pensapriang ya kikubor kiba lamler kiba ong ba sorkar pynshai ya jingtei kiba scam ne ki permanent structures ha Lumpongdeng hynrei ula pynshai ba ha jingtei bat ka tourism department mdan kanu ka jingbet pynshai ya jingtei kiba scam kaba ka sorkar kabet kalong tang pynshai ya jingtei kiba shipor ne ki temporary structures kum ki pandal ne ki dukan ki bala ban thlem hadin balawai ki program kum baja hawat slek usiam ula penrap ru ba kani ka rukom le kanam penwet ya kamaryang ne ya ki marat ki mareng ki badan hak te ka jaka ula maham badan kitmu ban ïalam bakla ya ki paidbah da ka bakno ba forest department kala jingbet pynshai ya ki lumpong ki bahe tatkum ku jingong Conrad Sangma ka sorkar kala bu ki kendon kiba perking bah banyada yaw Lumpongdeng.
There have been some concerns that have been raised in the public regarding the Lumpongdeng Island. I would like to take this opportunity to clarify to everyone that in the agreement that has been signed, the government and the tourism department has made it very, very clear that there will be no permanent construction that can take place in the island. So therefore, the concerns that are there that the entire island will be made into a concrete setup is completely wrong. Government has made it clear in the agreement that no permanent structure is going to be allowed in the island. But in order to ensure that we're able to take advantage of the location, temporary structures, shamiranas, pandals, and temporary stalls, which are going to be dismantled once the program is over, like we do in Watts Lake. These kind of structures will be allowed, which will be barely there for a week, 10 days, and then removed again. And hence, there will be no impact of any sort on the island or on the overall flora and fauna in that location. And hence, I would like to clarify this and inform everybody that there is no major need to be concerned. There could be some individuals who might try to mislead that there have been some consent to operate and establish permissions being given. That is as per the Forest Department's permissions, which means that Forest Department has said that in case the permission has to be given, it can be given as per the Forest Department in certain sections. But to take that also into consideration, we have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction, permanent construction, will be allowed in that particular island. So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed.